You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. This is the name of a Spanish grape variety. If you want to learn more why names pronounced, you found the right channel. Airen is the Spanish pronunciation. Airen. It normally has an accent on the E, meaning that you need to stress on that second syllable. Airen. In English, it's usually pronounced as Airen. Airen. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.